Life can be so hectic these days with all of that pre-holiday planning, right? But we're going to give you some great ideas, and indeed, maybe jumping over to the East Avenue Fish and Market is the way to go with New Canaan. Just forget the whole thing at home. Michael Sette is here with some items that, my goodness, we've got some meat and some fish we're putting together here, Michael?
Chicken and seafood, that's right. We're
Chicken and seafood.
Stir fry today.
It's
one of our favorites down at East Avenue.
And it's such a quick thing. I mean,
very easy.
If anybody dares try it at home, you can do it, and you can do it very quickly. And quick is the operative this time of year, isn't it?
Right, especially this time of the year.
Oh, my. All right, you've got a good variety of items that we're going to be putting together here.
Down at East Avenue, we've got fish from Fulton Market, Bell & Evans chicken, Black Angus beef, and lots of fresh vegetables down there.
Well, it's about the best of the best, I guess.
Right.
So that's the way to start.
Okay,
no
let's get started. Got our pan heating up here. We're going to put some pure sesame oil in. And add a little bit of garlic and ginger there. The ginger, there's the garlic.
Ginger and garlic. Okay.
Quite hot.
How much do you want?
Careful. Put 2 tablespoons in there.
There's the
ginger. Boy, that smells great.
Yes, it does. I'm going to do a little less of the garlic, if you don't mind.
Okay, no, that's fine.
I like the ginger.
Do you like it hot?
I do like it hot, yeah.
Put a little bit of Tabasco in there.
Okay.
All right.
There you go.
Get that nice and
That'll
hot.
be a little spicy. The crew will enjoy that.
Yeah, there you go. You can add the beef first, and then we'll be followed by the chicken.
All of this is going in?
All in.
Okay.
Get it in there.
That's what? Maybe 4 ounces, 5 ounces, something like that?
Well, this is for a family of 4.
Oh, all
so
right.
we got about 5 ounces of beef, about 5 ounces of chicken, and about 5 ounces of shrimp. You can put the chicken in as well.
Is the order key on this entry of these
Well, we
items?
like to put the beef in first, the chicken in second.
In it goes.
Give it a little bit more time to cook. The shrimp cooks much quicker.
Now, East Avenue Fish and Market. So
Right.
people can clearly come in and buy.
Right. We originally were a fish market. We've expanded. We've got a nice meat case, beautiful fish selection, nice produce selection. We also do a lot of prepared items, stuffed chickens.
That are done, you just take them home and...
Take them home, heat them up. Some of them are already pre-cooked. You can put them in the microwave, in and out, one-stop shopping.
Okay, everybody we talk to says that is the wave of the present and the future.
That's right. The kids
hottest
love
end
to
of the
come
market.
in, see the lobsters in the tank and etc.
I want that.
All right. Let's put the shrimp in.
Okay.
And we'll let this brown up a little bit. We're going to get the sauce going here.
Good.
Put a little oil in here. If you can put some ginger and garlic in that as well. Right here.
That's the garlic, folks. Yeah, forgive me if I don't put too much of that.
That's fine.
And put some more of the ginger.
Okay, that's great. All right, we'll add some chicken stock here. All right.
Now, how long has this been a full restaurant organization?
Well, it's not a restaurant. It's just a market.
Just a market at this
Right.
point. So you can take everything with you. Whatever you're cooking,
we are doing
you can take
catering
with you.
platters and such. We're going to be doing some personalized cooking lessons in people's homes coming the first of the year.
That's a good idea.
We'll come out to your house, bring the ingredients. You'll have meals for your kids and your husband when you get home.
Judging by the request we get here, that's going to be a big item for you.
Yeah,
People really enjoy doing it at home anyway, you know?
We're going to start to add some of the vegetables. Get some nice carrots here, some portobello mushrooms. Some snow peas. How about some of the asparagus? You want to grab
Sure.
some of that?
Just the baby tips over
Just
here.
the tips, only the best.
Yeah. Throw a mushroom in for good measure.
Put some bok choy in. Right there.
Bok choy over here. How much do you want?
Oh, half is fine.
This for a family of 4 kids.
4, right. And we'll go with some red pepper.
That'll be nice for some sweetness.
There you go.
You want it all in?
Some baby corn.
Get some more color in there.
Sure. Okay,
And
the
the
sauce
baby corn?
right here is now starting to come to a boil. What we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of cornstarch and water to reduce it, tighten it up a bit.
So, principally are the dishes fish dishes?
At the market? No, we're doing
It's everything.
everything. We're covering the gamut.
What do you want? That's what Michael's doing.
That's exactly it. One got away.
Get that in there. Tell you, that is a
Nice
beautiful
and
color.
colorful.
Yeah. Talk about a holiday dish.
Smells great.
That says it right there. So a little cornstarch water to thicken it up a little bit.
Thicken it up. And in a moment, we're going to add this sauce into here. Now, we like to keep the vegetables nice and crunchy.
I was just going to say, you don't want to cook those too much.
No, you don't. You want to keep
that
nice
color and...
Right. Plus, they're a little bit healthier when they're less cooked.
And do you go all the way to desserts, too, at the market? Or?
No. We do have bread from Arthur Avenue, though, in the Bronx. And
so desserts are on you, folks.
Desserts are on you, right.
Main courses, appetizers, whatever, catering.
Right. We also have some wonderful holiday hors d'oeuvres that we're serving up. Puff pastry, spinach and puff pastry. We have an andouille sausage and puff pastry.
Oh, yeah.
Escargot and croûte. Come right in, pick them up, stick them in the oven. All set.
Well, I'll tell you, that sounds powerful good. And even on the off side of the wind tunnel here on the Exchange, I've got a great whiff of the cook device here that we're doing. And we're going to be back. We're going to sample this and tell you a little bit more about the East Avenue Market coming up.
For a copy of today's Exchange recipe, send a self-addressed stamped business-size envelope to Exchange Recipes, 28 Cross Street, Norwalk, Connecticut, zip 06851. And please put the name of the chef or the recipe on the outside of the envelope.
We are transforming all of those good things into a stir-fry courtesy of the East Avenue Fish and Market, and Michael Sette, who is with us from East Avenue, and this is in New Canaan, as a matter of fact, on the lower side of East Avenue, down by Cherry Street and so forth, right?
Correct. Tucked in the back.
And had been a market up until very recently, now doing all these prepared things for you, and you can pick up things, bring them home, whip them in the microwave, and...
Feed the family in a snap.
Why is that?
We've got tons of parking down there.
And tons of parking,
Tons
too.
of parking, which is vital in New Canaan.
And is a rarity.
Right.
There's no question about it. All right, we've made this fabulous dish. Look at all the great colors, and we've got some great beef in there, and some shrimp, and some chicken. We got it all covered.
Right.
Beautiful plate, and some rice.
Right, we're going to start off with a little rice. We use chicken stock when we prepare the rice down there. When we do a stir fry, we like to put a touch of sesame oil in there instead of butter. It gives the rice a nice flavor.
Gotcha.
And we're going to start plating some for us.
Now, again, this is basically for a family of 4 or thereabouts, and you're going to get a good feed for a family of 4 out of
You
this.
should, yeah.
You know?
Definitely don't want to leave anybody hungry.
Uh-uh.
Do some other prepared stuff. We have hors d'oeuvres that you can serve prior to this. Egg rolls.
Oh, would I love to come home at 10 o'clock at night and have hors d'oeuvres. Wouldn't that be delightful? My wife's saying, no! Isn't that beautiful?
And enough for the staff.
And you call this, sir?
Just a beef, chicken, and shrimp stir fry.
Sounds like a good name for it to me.
Favorite.
It's got it all there. East Avenue Fish and Market in New Canaan. Michael Sette, you have done the job, my friend. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for having us on.
Appreciate it. Best of the holidays and best with the new efforts. We're going to take a break. We have got more coming up for you in the Exchange, so do stay with us.
Wood on the fire, in my mind we are gathered together, celebrate our heart's desire. Close my eyes.